Good afternoon, people. Welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll here. So Bao and I are gonna have lunch at this place for the very first time. I found it on the foodie group. It's called the Thru Pho, but they don't just sell pho there. They have other stuff too, like banh mi, and they have like bubble tea and stuff. This place is located on Orange Blossom Trail. It's kind of close to Florida Mall. It looks pretty good. It's where the old Wendys is, if you guys are familiar in the Orlando area. So we're gonna go check it out and have lunch. Hopefully as good as the pictures looks, because we are foodies, so you know, through the food pictures and stuff. But so come along as we have lunch at the Thru Pho. I just walked in the place and it's pretty cool because they have like all these lounge chairs and tables. I thought it was only drive-thru since the name of the place is drive-thru, but they also have some desserts here too. Well, they got raspberry cheesecake and some vanilla bourbon, and and then this is gonna look at their menu of what they have. They have all the full stuff on the left, and then they have banh mi in the middle, and then appetizers and bubble tea. Alright, for appetizers we had got the mini donuts and some dumplings over here, and then both of us had got the banh mi. So Bao had got the grilled pork banh mi, and this is what it looks like on the inside. And then he got the French iced milk coffee, and then I got the honeydew milk with boba. And then I got the sawgrass beef banh mi, and it's funny the way Bao said they wrapped it up like it was Jimmy John's, because it's like a saw, but then you unwrap it. But this is what mine look like on the inside. It comes with like, this is my first time ever eating this, but I wasn't in the mood for something hot because it's hot outside. Usually I would eat pho, but this one is like with carrots, beef, and lettuce in this it looks like a sub wrap. But this is like Vietnamese food, so I wanted to try something different, but everything looks pretty good. Okay guys, so first, when I thought of donuts, they look literally like chicken nuggets, and they taste like it too. I was thinking like the sweet like pastry donuts. I wasn't expecting something like this when I think of donuts. And it's a little bit spicy, but they give you like this sauce to dip it in. This is what it looks like on the inside. So it's literally like a little mini chicken nugget. Alright, so after having the first appetizer, Bao said something really funny too. He said the donut that they call it here, he's like, it's a Passover from Wendys chicken nuggets. But anyways, I want to try the what do you call it, the dumplings. Let's see how these appetizers are. It's not that bad.
How are you?
Thank you.
How do you like it? Thanks. You enjoy your meal. Thank you.
But this dumpling is not that bad. I actually like it more than their version of the donut. This is really cool. So these desserts that I got, the owner or manager just brought it over the table, and I don't even know the names of them, but that was really nice of him. And then also he gave us 2 bottles of water to go with it. Right guys, so this is what my banh mi sandwich looks like, and I'm about to bite into it right now and let you guys know how it is. That's what it looks like on the inside. So now I'm gonna take my bite of it and see how this is. It's not that bad. It was actually a really good sandwich. Okay guys, so this is actually the correct donut. Remember how I said earlier, why is it that like chicken nuggets? So they brought the wrong appetizer, and I told somebody that worked there, and they fixed it immediately, saying that person needs more training. But anyways, this donut was nice, hot, fresh, sweet. Alright guys, so we're just leaving the Thru Pho place on OBT in Orlando, and I didn't know that they were even in soft opening. Like, cause I told you, I was talking to one of the guys that worked there, and I was like, what day did you guys open? He's like, we're still in soft opening, but the official opening day is next week. So it was cool to try the restaurant before it actually opens, because he's like, it gives people time to get trained and to, you know, try out the food and stuff like that. The banh mi was really good. I liked it. And then, like I said, they kind of messed up on the appetizers in the beginning, because I was like, this is a weird donut. I was like, this is a freaking chicken nugget. So then I had to ask, I had to say something because this is not a normal donut. I'm used to donuts being sweet. And he's like, oh no, he gave you the wrong things. But like I said, he fixed it and gave us some free desserts and water bottles. So, and we basically got a free appetizer out of it too. Not deliberately, like we didn't plan it. Like they just gave it to us. Because we did, like I said, they gave us the wrong order. But like, it was good. It was a cool. Like I said, I was really glad that we was able to sit inside because it would have been uncomfortable sitting in the car. But next time I go back, I would definitely want to try the pho or pho. That's how they say it. But I like. All right, guys. Video can't cut out because my battery literally just died on me while I was trying to end the video. But luckily, I had like spare batteries. Always good to bring 2 or 3 batteries because you never know, like in my situation, what happened. But anyways, like I was saying, I would definitely try the pho next time I go back. It's a really good place to eat if you're craving Vietnamese food. And I like the bubble tea was good too. But let me know, guys, have you ever tried the drive-thru pho place in Orlando or are planning to? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoy this dining review with us. If you do, give us a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next venture. Bye.